Hello guys, today I'd like to show you how to backtest a simple trading strategy based on RSI and SMA using an algorithmic trading backtesting software. There is a lot of information available on the internet about all technical indicators like RSI and how it's calculated and its methodology, etc. So I straight away move on to the strategy concept which I have developed using RSI and simple moving average and how I backtest the same in a trading platform. So I want to start saying that algorithmic trading is really easy for traders. They can start testing their own idea using any available trading platforms. So today we are going to see how to backtest a simple strategy which results more than 70% win rate on which is tested on EMNI S&P 500. If we take a look at the trading rule, the market tested on EMNI S&P 500, the main trend definition is the asset price is above 100-day moving average. Entry, we are taking entry when a 7-period RSI crosses over oversold, then we buy at next bar's open. We are closing the position when RSI above overbought or 3 days since the entry. Then we close the position. This is the trading rule. I'll show you how I backtest this trading rule and how I write the script and what is the results. Let me now show you how the strategy is been coded and how it is been applied onto the chart. So this is the code I have written. Here the main condition is when RSI crosses over oversold. Please note, I'm not entering when RSI is at oversold position. It is just entering the position only when RSI crosses over oversold. And the other main trend condition is closing price is above 100-day moving average. The length is here 100-day moving average. Then I'm entering at next bar's market. Then if the position is 3 days since entry, then I exit at market on the next bar, and when RSI is hitting the overbought criteria, I exit the position. So this is the script I have written for the strategy. And if I move on to the chart, I can show you. I have inserted that strategy here. I have already mentioned that I'm not entering at the market is oversold. Here the market is oversold. If you see, this is the place where the price is oversold, but I'm not entering here. I'm just entering when the RSI is crosses over oversold. It has crossed over oversold here at this place, and the asset price is above the 100-day moving average. Asset price is above the 100-day moving average. I'm entering next bar at market, and when RSI hits the overbought criteria, I close my position here. So this is the strategy has been tested here, and if I show you the strategy results, it is having a beautiful equity curve, and the performance win rate, it is having 70% win rate, 80 trade out of 80 trades since 2000, and the average trade it is making $141 per trade. So this is the statistics results, and it works well on market E-mini S&P 500, and also it can be further improved when you modify the strategy, and it increases to more than 80% win rates as well. Now this particular strategy is tested only on E-mini S&P 500. I'll show you another video in how any one strategy can be tested on more number of assets, say some S&P top 100 assets, and how you can select the top best assets for your trading decisions in the coming videos. So do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel, so you can have the complete update on all my different strategies and how I backtest, and you will get more details on testing the strategies in different platforms. We'll also update some strategies, how to test in R platform and Python on different platforms like that. Thanks for watching.